Why predators fear humans, even when we're unarmed. A mountain lion spots you alone on a trail. It has claws, fangs, and enough speed to reach you before you could unlock your phone. You have sneakers and a water bottle. Still, it will usually look for an exit. In one South African field experiment, wild mammals fled ordinary recordings of people talking more readily than lion sounds. Not shouting. Conversation. 4 warning signals help explain why, and the last can frighten an animal that no human has ever harmed. But the predator isn't asking, "Could I beat this human?" That's the wrong question. It's asking something closer to, "Could this go badly?" For a wild hunter, even a small injury can become a death sentence. A damaged paw means no chase. A broken tooth means no meal. So you don't need to look stronger than a predator. You only need to look expensive to attack. And that brings us to the first warning signal, your strange body. Most animals a predator hunts move on 4 legs. You stand tall, your front limbs stay free. You can face danger while your hands do something else. Hold, grab, lift, throw. The animal may not understand those actions as words, but it can recognize a body shape connected with unusual consequences. You don't move like normal prey, and uncertainty makes predators cautious. Then you do something even more important. You look directly at it. For a stalking predator, being noticed can destroy the advantage. The moment your eyes lock onto it, the situation changes from hidden hunter to possible confrontation. Different species respond differently to eye contact, but the basic message is clear. You have detected it. That alone can make escape safer than attack. If that changes how you picture this matchup, tap like. It helps more curious minds find the video. You've probably heard that predators can smell fear. That makes it sound almost supernatural. The truth is less magical, but more interesting. Animals can notice sweat, breathing, shaking, sudden movements, and changes in your voice. But they can also recognize the ordinary scent of a human. Your smell may reach them before your shape does. And in places where people hunt or harass wildlife, that scent can carry a powerful warning. Remember those recordings near the water holes? Researchers played human conversation and lion sounds. Many mammals were nearly twice as likely to run from the human voices, and they left the area much faster. The people weren't threatening anyone. They were simply talking. The animals weren't judging volume. They were predicting consequences. A lion is dangerous, but its limits are familiar. Humans are quieter and far less predictable. Now comes warning signal number 3. Reach. Most predators fight with their bodies. Teeth must get close. Claws must make contact. Humans changed that rule. We can throw objects with speed and surprising accuracy. Then we created spears, bows, traps, and tools that made distance even more dangerous. A predator doesn't need to understand how a weapon works. It only needs to learn that a human can cause harm without coming close. Imagine an animal watching your empty hand. Then you bend down, pick up a rock, and raise your arm. Your muscles didn't suddenly grow, but the entire risk changed. The threat isn't only your body, it's what can leave your body. Animals that live near people can learn these movement patterns quickly. Quick question: have you ever seen a wild animal disappear the instant it noticed you? Tell me what it was below. But one human may suggest something even worse. More humans. That's warning signal number 4. We coordinate. We call to one another. We bring dogs, vehicles, lights, and tools. We follow tracks. We return later. Even predators that hunt in groups usually operate within familiar rules. Humans can change the rules halfway through the encounter. To an animal making a fast survival decision, one person may represent an entire group that hasn't appeared yet. And this is where the original mystery finally gets stranger. An animal doesn't need to be shot, trapped, or chased to fear people. Young animals watch their mothers. They copy when she freezes, hides, or runs. Survivors remember dangerous sounds, smells, roads, and times of day. Over generations, the animals that avoid serious threats are more likely to survive. So fear can arrive through observation, memory, and inherited caution, not just personal pain. In other words, the predator may not be reacting only to you. It may be reacting to a pattern surrounding your species. Human voices can mean hunters, engines can mean pursuit, a trail can lead to sudden movement, lights or noise. Scientists sometimes describe this as a landscape shaped by fear. Animals may change when they drink, where they feed, and when they travel, simply because people might be nearby. But not every predator runs, and that difference matters. Animals that see harmless people every day can become used to us. If humans provide food, the warning may even turn into a reward. A bear near a campground may connect people with snacks. A city coyote may learn that pedestrians rarely chase it. Familiarity can weaken fear, but weakened fear does not mean trust. Sometimes it creates a more dangerous kind of confidence. So when a predator approaches, don't assume it feels fearless or wants to hunt you. It might be curious. It might be protecting young. Its escape route might feel blocked. Or it may have learned that humans carry food. The same movement can mean different things in different species. That's why one universal internet trick is a bad idea. In real wildlife country, follow guidance made for that animal and that location. But what is actually happening inside the predator's mind? Probably not a sentence like, "That is a human, and humans are terrifying." It's faster than language. Shape, gaze, scent, sound, distance, cover, escape route, past experience. The brain combines those clues and predicts what may happen next. The animal isn't trying to identify your personality. It's making a risk calculation, and uncertainty pushes that calculation toward caution. Now return to that mountain lion on the trail. It sees a tall, unfamiliar shape. Then you notice it, so its hidden advantage disappears. Your hands are free. Your reach is unclear. Your voice may connect with dangerous memories. Other humans could be nearby. Finally, it compares the possible reward with the cost of one injured eye, tooth, or leg. It doesn't need to believe you would win. It only needs to believe you might hurt it. That's why the person holding a water bottle can frighten the animal built to kill. Humans see ourselves as soft, slow, and unarmed. Predators may see something harder to predict. A creature that notices danger, reaches beyond its body, gathers allies, remembers, and returns. To many predators, you aren't necessarily a monster. You're a bad bet. If this changed how you see your own species, subscribe and watch the next video to discover why running can completely change how a predator reads you.